Hey friends, if you wish to fix USB composite device driver error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the USB drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB composite device driver and update it, and do it for all of the composite device drivers. Okay. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.